Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see, Gemini, what's in store for you for your love life. Any message that needs to show through for you, any guidance that you need. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So keep that in mind, take what works for you, and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Gemini, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how our angels will bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Gemini. My angels, a guidance card, blessing, advice, or a message for Gemini. This one. All right. Let's put this card here, Gemini. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Gemini, is pause. Some kind of stagnancy going on in your love life, Gemini? Let's keep this card here and see what this pause is all about. Okay. So this is going to be just a simple 9-card spread, Gemini, just to check on your energies, your longer readings where we'll get into you and your partner's hidden emotions will be on Tuesday. Yeah. So till then, let's see what's coming up now for you. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gems, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there, send me an email. So let's see, let's do a simple 9-card tarot spread and some dialogue messages to see what's going on in your love life. Bottom of my deck, I have the 6 of Cups. A beautiful friendship. Maybe you guys know each other for a long time, or this is like a soulmate bond. There's a lot of sweet memories, but then spirit-wise, there's a pause going on here. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, 2 of Wands, 5 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Lot of stagnancy here, Gemini. A broken heart, somebody's been dropped. Maybe somebody was trying to win at all cost and say, hey, me, and that kind of behavior. Somebody, maybe their partner stopped fighting or turned their back on them, has dropped the relationship. And now somebody is feeling like a loser or feeling there's no victory to be had. This beautiful relationship could have maybe had the makings of the 10 of Pentacles, could have gone the long distance. There could have been joy, happiness, everlasting abundance, but because of somebody's behavior here of the 5 of Swords, where they wanted to win at any cost, it was like their way or the highway, and this is kind of, now they're feeling sheepish and embarrassed because this loving connection is now gone. So there is a pause going on. I see it here with the Page of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse with the Heartbreak card. Okay, so let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards first, Gemini, and see what's going on in your heart space. If you could say something to your partner or vice versa, what that would be. Gemini and their person spirit. Take a couple from here. Gemini and their person. And I've got a new deck. Let's see what this one has to say. One more. Okay. Thank you. So the first card here, Gemini, says, my feelings for you are now platonic. Maybe, yes, this was a friendship which had the potential to go the long haul, but now one partner says, it's okay if that's the way you want to play, then let's just be friends. Let's keep it platonic. I see my future with you. Now, this was a future which I think had the potential, but because of somebody's behavior now, it's going backwards. It's going in reverse from what I see. It irritates me how your karmic has photos of you all over social media trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. I can't believe how much time we've wasted on bullshit. So, two cards, one after the other, saying we've been dealing with bullshit. Okay. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. Yes, it did have this potential, right? It did have this potential where one partner was excited, happy to say, hey, we can make this work. We are already best friends. We can take it to the next level. But I think somebody did something which was not right here. We'll get into these cards. We'll clarify these as well after this. Next card. The ball is in your court now. As I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We're at a standstill. We are at a pause. I'm going to repeat this. The ball is now in your court. As I have done everything I can everything to get this connection to move along. We are at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheels into motion. So one partner kept trying while the other partner kept playing and kind of childish games, I would say, till I think somebody just dropped the connection. This is the center of my spread, so it's the most important card for me, right? So this connection has now been dropped because maybe somebody was not stepping up to the plate, maybe they were juggling, maybe they were playing mind games, not making a decision. So I think this connection has been dropped now to say, okay, if that's the way you want to play it, then let's just be friends. Let's keep it platonic between us. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. And that's the reason the pause is going on, because now this person has realized, oh my God, what did I do? I don't feel that victorious. Maybe I was being arrogant, or I was being self-centered, or I was being egoistic and trying to say that, hey, I can get away with murder. Not literally, but yeah, I can get away with, playing all these games. But now that, this connection seems dropped, no, my partner's no longer fighting for it and has turned their back on me. I'm the one who's feeling like a loser now. I feel embarrassed and ashamed of my own behavior. And that's the reason now this person is now going through the dark night of the soul and not knowing what to say. They don't have the strength to communicate right now. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside out. Now they're realizing, yes, this best friend that I've had, or the connection that I've had with this person, they've been through so much with me, and now I realize that not only is this my partner beautiful on the outside, but also on the inside. So this could be a long relationship or a long friendship that you guys have had, and one partner kept waiting around for this to turn into more than just a situationship, which was not done, and that's the reason now there is total stagnancy here. Okay, so let's take one card to clarify these. Spirit, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling left out, abandoned, feeling totally rejected now. Things have totally stagnated, halted between the two of you. Three of Swords. There's no sunshine anymore. Hearts are broken. Things are not happy anymore. People are at crossroads now, not knowing now what to do. Wanting a return, but not knowing what direction to take. Maybe one person, maybe the masculine, from what I feel, had two options and they never chose on time. Now, even though they want to return, they know that too much has happened. Yes, there were too many secrets kept. There was too much illusions, secrets, never saying what was in their heart and mind, never making it open, never acknowledging their partner, never going to meet their friends and family and acknowledging the connection. So because they kept so much secretive, I think the partner finally got fed up. And now even though they want to return, I don't think they know how. They don't want to let go. They have a fear of letting go of this connection also. So what all they can do right now is kind of on the side, just keep an eye on their partner, watch their partner, maybe spy on their partner on their social media, and yes, hope and wish that this connection can come back again. This is a trend I'm seeing in a lot of my readings, where somebody is now realizing what mistakes have been made and trying to find a return back. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes. Somebody wants to make a decision and no longer juggle and now bring justice into this connection, to do the right thing. Why? Because somebody's now turned their back. And now it's hitting them. Oh my God, what have I done? They are seeing, I think, that their partner has now not only turned their back, is no longer even stressing over them and saying, it's all right if you don't want to, move on with me, let's keep it platonic, I'm fine with that. Now that is stressing them out even more, because now they feel, now my wishes are not going to come true. Maybe heart of hearts, they were always hoping that their partner would keep fighting for them. But ever since they've realized that their partner is no longer stressed, no longer tense, no longer waiting or fighting for this connection, they're now feeling very embarrassed, ashamed of their behavior, feeling like a loser. Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands. Why do they feel like the Six of Wands? Yes, because they never were able to put their emotions out, and tell their partner. Because they tried to manipulate or emotionally keep their partner at a distance in the past, now their partner, I think, has released them. Waited, but this King of Cups never really told them, never showed them, never acknowledged the relationship, kept it like a situationship. And their partner has now released them, and now this person is feeling like they are the losers. Now they are ashamed of their own behavior for not stepping up earlier and offering something which could have really been good in the long term. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they should have respected this feminine. This now they see this feminine had all the makings of the perfect spouse. This partner could have been that loving, nurturing, kind, beautiful, being able to provide for themselves and others, and taking good care of themselves, their home, their children, or their parents, their family, and also, maybe looking after their business. So this was like a perfect spouse to have, and now they feel, what did I do? I didn't respect the person, and now I don't think I can ever achieve this Ten of Pentacles with them, because this Queen of Pentacles is not chasing. This Queen of Pentacles is no longer even showing any stress or upset about them. This Queen of Pentacles has now turned her back on them and saying, all right, I'll keep it platonic. We'll be friends, right? Good friends. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. This Queen of Pentacles feels that this person was very selfish. They were only thinking about themselves. They never really, gave attention to the connection. So that's the reason. Not only is this Queen of Pentacles not fighting for this connection anymore, she's kind of made a decision now that I'm not going to stay at crossroads all my life. I'm not going to be somebody's choice here, waiting for somebody to make up their mind. Who is it going to be? So I think this Queen of Pentacles is saying, I'll make the decision. I won't fight for this connection anymore. And if this is not meant to be, so be it. Right? This is a very strong connection, Gemini. This had the makings of the happily ever after. But because of one person's bad behavior and not making that decision on time, Yes, and maybe trying to trick the other person, magician in reverse. They've lost a beautiful connection, and right now, I mean, this is not the end. This is a pause going on right now, Gemini. We'll check on Tuesday. We'll take an in depth of their feelings, and your mutual energies, and see if there is what is the next best course of action. Okay, so this is what's going on right now. Till next time, then, love and light. See you on Tuesday. Namaste.